Department of Justice won't guard Trump immigration order. Acting legal professional Trendy Sally Yates, who has been directing the Justice branch in the course of the transition to President Trump's management, said Monday that she can now not shield in court the president's GOVT order that suspends immigration from 7 majority Muslim international locations. I am accountable for ensuring that the positions we soak up courtroom continue to be constant with this organization's solemn obligation to always are seeking justice and stand for what is proper, touted Yates, a holdover from the Obama management. At present, I am not convinced that the protection of the government order is constant with these obligations, nor am I satisfied that the government order is lawful. Therefore, for so long as I'm the performing legal professional well known, the Department of Justice will no longer present arguments in defense of the GOVT order, except until I end up satisfied that it's far appropriate to accomplish that. Yates is serving as appearing lawyer, popular as Trump's nominee for lawyer standard, Alabama Sen. Jeff Classes awaits a Senate vote on confirmation. The Senate Judiciary Committee has scheduled a Tuesday vote at the nomination of Sessions, who has carefully counseled Trump on immigration subjects. Senate Democrats have objected to Period's nomination, and Minority Leader Charles Schumer, DNY, said Monday on CNN Nighttime that Classes must have to disclose his opinion of Trump's immigration order earlier than the Senate votes on his nomination. Trump replied to Yates through Twitter, characterizing the movement as a political pass to damn his schedule. Democrats are delaying my cupboard alternatives for, in simple terms, political reasons, Trump tweeted. They have nothing going, however, to impede. Now have an Obama AG. The declaration, issued in the shape of a letter to lawyers dealing with executive order topics, comes after Trump's order sparked protests throughout the country, as dozens of immigrants had been detained at airports over the weekend. The order have been reviewed by using the Justice Branch Office of Legal Recommend before it was issued Friday. The OLC, whose authority narrowly addresses the shape and whether or not the order is nicely drafted, accredited the order. However, the OLC did not address whether or not any coverage choice embodied in in-government order is sensible or just. Yates wrote, "My obligation is to ensure that the position of the Department of Justice is not simplest legally defensible, but is informed through our pleasant view of what the law is after attention of all of the information." Yates' tremendous action comes as countrywide regulation enforcement leaders are calling at the Trump management for in addition steering on his immigration-associated orders, inclusive of the president's name for police, to an increasing number of help federal retailers in implementing immigration laws. Late Monday, the state's largest organization of police chiefs, the International Association of Chiefs of Police, stated it'd oppose any order that forces the cooperation of local police on immigration subjects. The IACP has, and will keep to strongly oppose any initiative that could mandate that state and nearby law enforcement organizations play a position in the enforcement of federal immigration law, the organization said in an announcement. The IACP believes that the problem of country, tribal, or neighborhood law enforcement's participation in immigration enforcement is an inherently local selection that must be made through regulation enforcement executives, working with their elected officials, network leaders, and residents.